Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching EncycloHub. In this video, we will discuss the PDF and the handwritten assignments that we are providing of of any subject. If you need, you can contact us on our WhatsApp so that we will provide all the answer on your WhatsApp. Here, the question number 1B, which is we are discussing here, which is from ancient time, education and religion have been seen as factors for the growth of tourism and justify the statement. This question is taken from the lesson 1 and you have to answer in the 40 to 60 words. If you are seeing this, if you are looking for the answers, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.